Okay, let's talk about the calendar module. So let me go ahead and open this up. Now, this is your calendar module. So you see as I hover over each day, I have the option to either add or view the day view for this. So I'm going to go ahead and add one for tomorrow, which is Thanksgiving. And I'm going to give this a title of Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Day. And then let's go ahead and upload a thumbnail for this. Yes, I want to save. Okay, then we can also set the duration, when this, what day this is starting and what time this is starting, as well as what day and what time this is ending. Then we have recurring events. So let's go ahead and view these. So you can set this event to repeat every day, every weekday, every weekend, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, every Tuesday and Thursday, or you can customize this with weekly. So say every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And you can say repeats every week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and so on. And then until a specified date. Now, if you set this until date, you do not want to set this end date. It's going to cause some craziness in the programming, and then you'll end up adding more events than you need to. So at the bottom here is a summary. Repeat weekly on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday until this specified date. We also have monthly, if you want to repeat every day of the month. So repeat monthly on the 28th until November 28th. So this will repeat every 28th of the month. And then this one day of the week will be every last Thursday because this 28th is the last Thursday of the month. And then there's an annual event or yearly. So repeat every year, every 2 years, every 3 years, and so on. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a little description here. Thanksgiving Day, and let's click Publish. Okay, so here is Thanksgiving Day. Now if I go ahead and add a calendar widget, you'll see Thanksgiving Day there. But let's go ahead and change that. And now you'll see Thanksgiving Day with the little thumbnail there. And that's how the calendar module works.